In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to enhance your experience with Power BI by generating a DAX formula to calculate year-over-year sales growth. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to chat.openai.com. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and do so. Logging in is straightforward. Just use your OpenAI credentials and you'll be set in no time. Once you're logged in and ready to engage with ChatGPT, you'll notice the chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is your space to interact, ask questions, and receive tailored responses. Go ahead and enter your request in this chat box. Let's say you need a DAX formula that calculates the year-over-year sales growth. Seems like a common scenario if you're managing sales data and want an annual performance comparison. As you type, be sure to include any specific details that can help refine the output. This means defining your dataset structure, pinpointing the names of relevant columns, and clarifying exactly what kind of output you're aiming to achieve. Providing these specific details helps ChatGPT generate a response that's more aligned with your needs. After entering your request, hit send and watch as ChatGPT processes the information and crafts a response. It might take a brief moment, but you'll soon have a detailed code or explanation to review. Carefully read through the generated DAX code or the breakdown of the steps provided by ChatGPT. It's crucial to ensure the solution aligns perfectly with your dataset setup and goals. If you find that the initial explanation or code snippet isn't quite hitting the mark, don't hesitate to use some follow-up prompts. You can ask ChatGPT to clarify the workings of the DAX formula step by step. For example, understanding what each section of the formula does will empower you to apply or adapt it confidently in your Power BI environment. This interactive dialogue with ChatGPT is one of its key strengths, offering you iterative learning. Now that you've honed in on a satisfactory solution, it's time to take that DAX formula and apply it practically. Copy the solution provided by ChatGPT and open up your Power BI application. Head to the section where you manage your data models and paste the formula into the appropriate space. Once pasted, it's critical to test the formula. Testing involves running the DAX code with your dataset, ensuring it processes correctly and returns the expected results. Analyze the outputs. Does the formula accurately reflect the year-over-year sales growth? If all appears in order, you've successfully harnessed the power of ChatGPT to aid in your Power BI analysis. Congratulations, you've now learned how to generate and implement a DAX formula using ChatGPT to calculate year-over-year sales growth in Power BI. With this skill in your toolkit, data analysis just became that much more insightful and efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.